Keeping your calendar and emails synchronized with your CRM application is always a challenge. With SAP Sales Cloud, we offer a simple-to-use Outlook add-in that shows your leads, accounts, opportunities, and activities all in one single overview, so there's no need to switch between applications to access sales data. Once you've downloaded our add-in to your Outlook and configured your settings, the system goes to work for you. It provides easy access to any account, contact, opportunity, or lead in a pane view in Outlook. The example on this screen shows an incoming email from Mike Bond, who is working with me on a specific opportunity. From here, I can just drag and drop the email into opportunities so I have all relevant sales information in one place. Here we see SAP Sales Cloud synchronizing a link from this email to the opportunity we're working on. A pop-up window informs me when the sync is complete and the email has been linked to the opportunity and the account. I can also see other leads, campaigns, and activities connected to Mike within the Sales Cloud pane. Here we can see there are 2 meetings booked with Mike, a call and a presentation. I've also set a task to block out time to prep for my call with him. And here, I can take a look at the final presentation I'm going to give him. SAP Sales Cloud makes it easier to manage your workday with all of your documents, tasks, and emails in one place, linked back to your CRM system. With Outlook integrations seamlessly embedded into email, documents, and tasks, you can see what you need to do in just a couple of clicks, while being able to link all your actions back to your CRM. Explore the other product demos to find out how SAP Sales Cloud can get your business where it needs to be.